Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize your home screen in this device. For this, press and hold the home screen. Then here you can see one edit button on the top left side. Tap on this one. Then tap on the option customize. Okay, so here you can see some option. Now the light mode is applied to this icon style. If you want to set to dark mode, you can see this is automatic. And if you select the option tinted, now you can see one color picker also you can see here. Otherwise here we can change the color, you can see. Okay, if you select the color picker, then from your wallpaper itself you can select any color. Now let me show you. Tap on the option color picker. Now we can select the color from the wallpaper. Now you can see. You can see. Okay, if you select the option large, now you can see the name of the app icon is disabled. Select small. Now you can see the name is here. So simply in this way you can customize your home screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.